Hello, everybody. My name is Benjamin Dare. I'm a sales engineer here at Rondos, and my background is primarily in SAP. I spent 20 years as an SAP administrator and also some time as an SAP solution architect and in customer success, looking over some of the SAP software customers' largest accounts. Today, I want to do something a little bit different, and let's talk about SAP security. SAP security is sometimes left out of monitoring, and I say that because, like, by default, SAP doesn't have any CCMS alerts or alerting that come out of the box with SAP, and so it's really left to a lot of manual tasks for security administrators to go through those logs. If they go through them at all, right? Many times SAP security folks are just really worried about users and authorizations, but what we don't have, or where the gap is in SAP security, are folks that are reviewing those threat logs, whether that be from internal or external bad actors. So one of the places that we look for audit logs inside of SAP is obviously SM20. So I'm going to pull that up here and just let you see what that looks like from an SAP perspective for those of you who might not be fully aware. What it really is just a list of logs. And so somebody has to manually go through these logs and try to determine which actions inside of here could be malicious. Not easy to sort through. I mean, yes, there are some filtering that you can do. But again, like, somebody has to go through this manually, and then you're really dependent on, users not making user errors when raising flags for items that need to be investigated. So here at Rondos, we sell a piece of software called Power Connect, and Power Connect basically allows you to take this SAP data in full fidelity and send it to a monitoring platform of your choice. So in this example here, we've actually taken those same SM20 audit logs and sent them over to Dynatrace. And what's great about this is now you can use a lot of the out-of-the-box capabilities within the Dynatrace platform to monitor these same security logs and take less reliability off of the security team. So what I mean by that is, one, it makes it easier to be able to see the logs in here because we can filter them by the severity of the event that has been sent to the logs. Two, we can use the machine learning capabilities of Dynatrace to search for anomalies. So if there are users that perhaps aren't usually downloading files or don't typically run specific transaction codes, and then one day they do, these are all things that can now be alerted on. And using Dynatrace's native integration with ITSM platforms, now these alerts can be raised. They can raise a ticket so that you're not having to worry about, again, emails or somebody on the security team raising these things manually. I hope you find this interesting. I know I certainly do. It's kind of very exciting to see this type of technology. And again, the fact that we're sending that data over in full fidelity, so you're not just getting KPIs, but you can get the full logs inside of the monitoring platform, really is helping security administrators at many of the world's largest organizations become more efficient in the way that they are searching through SAP security and audit logs. I hope you find this helpful. If you have, be sure to reach out to somebody at Rondos, and we'll be happy to help you enable this technology at your company.